Hey guys, so this is my second quick video today. Mabel isn't feeling very good. She hasn't eaten breakfast yet. I'm filming this June 2nd. Oh, happy Pride! Yay! Anyway, so this is an update on at least one of the tomato plants. I wanted to do an update on more of them, but they're showing the apartment next door, so I don't really want to go into that patio space. But this is my tiny tom tomato, or my micro tom, excuse me, and this is one that I have not potted, and it lives in my southern facing window. All of my other tomato plants, aside from my Lakoshko on the window, got put outside. The Lakoshko on the window died, and it resprouted, or I planted a new seed and that sprouted, so that's awesome. So that's probably gonna stay inside as well. But this is the one that I've had the least amount of troubles with. And you can see, move this, I have a couple tomatoes. I have about 4 tomatoes, and I'm super excited. I always thought you had to pollinate tomatoes to make them do anything. And I don't know if that, like, if I physically have to go touch the plant, like physically touch the blooms and the pollen and transfer it from one plant to another, or if just like a little bit of air circulation is enough.
Error 19. Please open the iRobot Home app for help.
Anyway, so yeah, I have some flowers and I have some tomatoes, and this will be the first time in 3 years that I've had tomatoes. I'm really excited about this. I don't know how good they're gonna taste, but I'm very excited about it. There are 2 plants in here. They're just little guys. And these are actually, the ones that have fruit on them are actually suckers off of this main plant that was exfoliated. I was gonna cut off the main plant because it's no longer the main plant, but now it has little buds at the top. This smaller plant is just littered in buds, and I've knocked a couple off since starting this. So like I said, I am so excited for this guy. This one is living inside. The other ones I managed to plant outside. So we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna go hang it back up in the window, give it a water, and that is at least a tomato experiment update. Yeah, cool. Okay, bye.